Glucosamine sulfate and joint pain. Why are they conjoined? Why are they related? Let us learn first of all, right? Why are you having joint pain? First of all, the reason why you could be having joint pain is something to do with cartilages and synovial fluid, right? Cartilages, they help in the smooth movement of joints, right? Smooth movement of joint, that is cartilages. You need that. You need that. Number two, you need synovial fluid. Synovial fluid act as a lubricant when there is joint. When a bone and a bone meet, they need a lubrication. That lubricant is synovial fluid. So if there's a problem with the cartilage and synovial fluid, you're going to experience joint pain, right? It would be other things like arthritis, but let's talk about why you need glucosamine sulfate, right? Glucosamine sulfate, first of all, it helps in the production of cartilage. Cartilages, you have said cartilages, they help in what? The smoothness of joints. Glucosamine sulfate with other, you know, this is called joint salicylic, and ingredient number one is called glucosamine sulfate. I also show you this one here, glucosamine sulfate, but with other minerals as well, right? So glucosamine sulfate, we have said it helps in what? Cartridge production. Number two, it also helps in synovial fluid production. Remember, synovial fluid is, it acts as a lubricant to avoid friction, because frictions brings what? Wear and tear. Wear and tear. Now, if bones come together, there is pain and swelling. Number three, glucosamine sulfate inhibit. The word is what? Inhibit or prevent inflammation pathways in the synovial fluids, in the synovial cells. By doing so, listen to this again. Glucosamine sulfate inhibit inhibit inflammation pathways in synovial cells, right? By so doing, we are able to avoid what? Pain and swelling. Remember, inflammation is going to cause pain and swelling. So, for people who live in cold areas, coldness, when you sit down, your bones and your joints become stiff and you have pain. But by you taking glucosamine sulfate, you're going to inhibit what? Inflammation. So what Wanyadarwa, we have a solution for you. This is glucosamine sulfate. These here are tablets. You take these according to the prescription you've been given by your doctor. You can get this for your parent on our online pharmacy called medipal.co.ke. If you have any question, comment down below. We will tackle them next time.